Napunta ako dito sa Tacloban kasi mahirap din yung buhay sa Manila. Ang trabaho ko doon ay isang barker lang. Kaya napunta ako dito sa Leyte, Tacloban, sa tito ko. Eh, wala rin naman ako makapasukan ibang trabaho dito, kundi ganun din, barker din lang dito sa Tacloban. Nahirap sa katrabaho sa kalye kasi kung ano-ano yung nalalangaw po, kaya puro parang ano na sa katawan ko na nahirapan ako sa paghinga kahit sa pagtulog kasi puro ubo na lang ako hanggang sa nireklamo na ako ng kapitbahay ko dahil sa sobrang ubo ko sa gabi.
Smoke belching is the forceful expulsion of smoke from the vehicle's pipe. This is the #1 major contributor to air pollution. Laws were passed to stop smoke belching and full force exerted to further protect the environment from air pollution. But somehow, people just ignored it and still do whatever they wish to do. Heavy, dark smoke forcefully spits out from the pipes of vehicles, and it is very dangerous to our health. It's like breathing poison that we knew could kill us one day. So what are the causes of smoke belching in vehicles? First is using low quality and used or unclean oils, overloading, improper maintenance, improper way of driving like overspeeding, and using an engine that is not appropriate for the size of the vehicle. Smoke belching really needs to be reduced if not totally stopped. Air pollution alone have already killed thousands of people in this planet. Are you going to wait for the time when you will become one of the victims of this harmful pollution? Smoke belching can be prevented, and it will only take care and consideration to the environment of the person who is part of the transport sector. What are the effects of smoke belching? To the environment, dark, heavy smoke coming from the exhaust of vehicles contribute to the increase of smog, which is the fog-like smoke that blankets cities and other areas with so much pollution, just like the one in China. It makes the view of skylines very vague. Smoke belching also contributes to acid rain, which can really harm forests and trees, as well as polluting existing table water. Acid rain occurs when the chemical composition of water changes due to chemicals from pollutants and it becomes acidic. Not only would it affect plants and trees, it also makes the soil very acidic. Global warming is also caused by air pollution, which occurs by the excess of carbon dioxide in the air. Through smoke belching and other human activities, those chemicals reach the atmosphere and eventually cause changes to ozone levels. To human beings, we need clean, fresh air to breathe. So when the air we breathe becomes polluted, numerous illnesses will arise. The main disease caused by air pollution is respiratory problems and may depend on the level of exposure to polluted air. People who suffer from asthma and other respiratory issues will have more difficulty when exposed to pollution due to the contamination and toxicity of the air and may trigger a deeper condition. Long periods of exposure may also cause cancers and emphysema. By cooperating and following rules imposed to us on the proper etiquette on driving and proper maintenance of vehicles, we can save the environment as well as hundreds or maybe thousands of lives. The only way that we can save the environment from air pollution is to plant more trees that can absorb carbon dioxide and exchange it for more, purer oxygen. people need to refrain in doing even small things that can cause more pollution on their vehicles. If we all heed and change our ways, I'm sure that our environment will change for the better.
Wala ka bang ibang mahanapan na ibang trabaho o ipapatuloy mo na lang yan? Parang, kasi wala ka namang choice. Ano yung...
Wala eh. Yun lang yung ano eh. Alam kong maging ano ng trabaho. Wala akong alam na ibang mapapasukan.